So today we'll learn about website creation. That means, sir, I don't have any coding knowledge. I don't know about HTML tags. I don't know about CSS. I don't know even about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? What is CSS? What is HTML? I don't know. Basically, when AI was not there, if I wanted to create a website, we needed to know these three things very important. First is HTML, which is used for. So here, when AI was not there, if I wanted to create a website, what should I do? While creating a website, first thing I needed to know about HTML. HTML is what it is used for structuring. Actually, this is a markup language and which is used to create a structure of our web page. And then to make that structure looks good, we have some CSS, that means cascading style sheet. And now I want some logical in that. For that we'll use JavaScript. But now what happened when AI came into existence? Now if you don't know HTML, if you don't know CSS, if you don't know about JavaScript, then you can able to create a website with the help of AI. That means low code, no code, vibe coding. That means without knowing even a single syntax of any programming language, any coding language, anything, you can able to create a website. So now this is our last module, module 10. Let's start. Module 10, website making. Correct. Now today we learn how do we create a website. Okay, so that it can be because before AI was not there, website creation, if I want a website for my business, for my personal things and all, I go to a developer, I ask it and they charge a lot more. But now I can able to create a website in free. Okay, I can able to create a website in free. Now before going to move forward, can you guys tell me what is a website? What is a website? Can you guys tell me what is a website? Yeah, tell me, Tusha.
It's like an app that you can use, chat.
No, it's not like that. Do you know
So
what
I'm
is a
writing in the
website?
chat 1 second.
Huh?
1 second.
Gusanj, do you know what is a website?
I know what it is, but I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, so I'll tell you. See, I'll go here on Google and suppose I search a website name Facebook or Flipkart. Okay, this is what? This is the website of Flipkart. Correct? Now, what is happening? This, like suppose right now I am at for you page. If I click on mobile, I'll come to another page. Correct? If I'll click on electronics, I have another page. If I'll click on beauty, I have some another thing. Now if I click on skill care, I have the product, I have another page. Correct or not? Now if I'll click here, I get some another thing. That means if I'll click here, what I'll get? I'll go to this page. That means what is a website? A website is nothing but a collection of web pages. These are what? These are single web pages. These are what? Web pages. Correct? And a collection of web page is nothing but a website. So in a simple word, if someone wants tell you
Yes, sir,
to
I wrote it on the chat.
I'll check it. So in a simple, a website is a collection of web pages that are available on the internet. So that means a website is nothing but a collection of web pages that are available on the internet. Correct. Now if I wanted to go to the Flipkart or any other website, what I'll do, I'll go to Google, I search for that particular website and I'll get it. Correct. Now that means for searching the information, I have Google. For watching the videos, I have YouTube. For buying the product online, I have Flipkart, Amazon. These all are the These all are website. So website is a place on the internet where people can view information, pictures, videos and many other things using a web browser. Correct or not? This is clear. So in a simple, I'll tell second point, you can note it down, like a website is a place on the internet where people can view can view information, pictures, videos, and many other things using a web browser. Correct? So that means that a website is nothing but it is a place on the internet where people can view information, pictures, videos, and many other things using a web browser. Correct? So web browser is what? That Google Chrome is what? It's a web browser. Firefox, Mozilla Firefox is what? It's a web browser. Brave is what? It's a web browser. That means to open any website, I went to the web browser. In that web browser, I searched to that particular website, whether it should be a YouTube, because see, if I wanted to watch videos, shorts and all, I'll go to YouTube. To buying a product, I need to go to Flipkart, Amazon. To search any information, I'll go to Google. But now ChatGPT is what? It's a website only. If I wanted to search something or to take a help from AI, there are different AI tools, AI websites, which are ChatGPT, Gemini. These all are websites. They all have their own application also, which is we can download on our mobile phones. Correct? Now, in one line, what can I tell website? In one line, I can tell a website is a group of web pages. So I'll show you what are the web pages. Correct? With the help of Flipkart application, I went to the Flipkart website and I show you what are web pages. Now, so website is what? It's a group of web pages. It's a group of web pages connected together and available on the internet. Now, this is a definition of a website. Correct? Now I will create a website with the help of AI, and I don't know any programming language. Correct? So before, what happened when AI was not there, to learn any website or to create any website, you needed to know HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Then CSS. You guys heard about HTML and CSS? You guys?
Yes, sir, I studied in school.
So you studied in schools HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So basically, before, when see HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now when AI was not there, I wanted to know HTML, I wanted to learn CSS, I wanted to learn JavaScript. Then only I can able to create a website. Correct? But now, what happened when AI came into existence? I wanted to create. I'll create a website without knowing zero knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. What I have to do? I here two website. First, you already aware about ChatGPT. Correct? This website you already aware about this ChatGPT tool. Now you can able to create a website here also. If I click codex, and it is saying download for Mac OS or go to cloud. I can able to just click on go to cloud, and it is saying let's build something. This is first thing is this. Correct? Second thing is there is one website named codepen.io. So this is the website name, codepen.io. This is another website name. So here what I'll do, see, if you guys having laptop, you guys can also do with me, so that it will be easy for you to learn and remember. So see, first thing, we need ChatGPT. Second thing, one more website called codepen.io. Correct? These two things I want. First is ChatGPT, second is codepen.io. So ChatGPT is what? ChatGPT, I'll have some idea. Okay, and I just wanted ChatGPT to integrate this idea and give me the code of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Same code I copy it and I paste it CodePen. Okay, so this is HTML file, this is CSS file, and this is JavaScript file. Correct? Now in ChatGPT, and I write it here, create a colorful website for a pizza shop with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. and JS. JavaScript short form is JS. I want create a colorful website for a pizza shop and chocolate, and I want the code. If I click enter, what happened? See, index.html is what? It's a file name. That means this is index file is the name, and .html is what? It's a extension. So now what it is creating? It is creating three things. To create a website, I already told you we need three things, three types of file. First is HTML, second is CSS, third is JavaScript. Correct? So this is the HTML code. This is used for structuring. Correct? I don't know how to code. That's why I tell AI, and AI will give me a code. Now CSS is there, style.css. Here it is used for styling purpose. That means how is the color, how is the animation, how things will be, how it will look like. So in Hindi, if you can say that मैं ऐसा तैयार हो गया हूँ, बट हाँ, मैं तैयार होगा तो क्या करूँगा, मुझे मेकअप करना पड़ेगा, तो इट्स लाइक अ मेकअप ओनली. या फिर हमने घर बनाया, लाइक इफ वी आर क्रिएटिंग आवर होन हाउस, so first we'll start with the structure. So structure is what? Only we have bricks, cements and all. This is the structure. Then I wanted something painted. So that paint is nothing but a CSS only. That means it looks like good. Now then third is JavaScript. JavaScript is the function. It is used for any functional thing if we wanted to do. Because see, HTML and CSS, I can't do any functional thing, I can't do any logical thing there, but it will create me a structure and it will give me a very nice thing. Now JavaScript file is also there. There is one function show offer, and it is saying alert special something something. Now let's do one thing. I'll go here, index.html, I click on this code first. I click on this code is copied. Now I go to with this website code pen, in the file index.html I paste it. Correct? Now I'll go here, there is another file style.css. I just copy this code, go it here, let's see here, see, this is the structure. See what it give me? HTML give me the structure. Correct? Now I want some styling, I just paste it here. Now if I paste it here, see, very nice website is created. Correct? Now I want some JavaScript also. I just click here, within a minutes you can able to create a website. Okay, now I'll show you what can we do this, here. Now see, very nice website is created. Okay, so see, this is the header section. Pizza and chocolate heaven, fresh pizza, delicious chocolate, happy customer. Now this is pizza. If I click here, what happened? I'll directly come here. See, I am chocolates. So see here, this URL is automatically changing. If I click on contact, in place of chocolate it will convert it to contact. So I'll come to contact page. So this is a single page application, and if I click on pizza, now suppose it's look like this. Okay, this is a website. Now if I click on view special offer, what happened? Some prompt is coming, that is special offer, buy 2 pizza and get 1 chocolate box free. Okay, let's see. So this is a single page application we created. Correct? Till here everything is Anav Tushya. This is another website named lovable.dev. So I am just here to explore something. You guys can also explore different websites. Even if you wanted to code locally in your system, how do we code? That also I'll teach you. We'll start from very basics, zero, and we'll create a very nice website. This is the online we are doing. Now after that, if you will able to understand this, then I'll use some code editor or text editor like Notepad. You guys heard about Notepad, and Notepad you guys heard about. This is what a text editor. Same for coding purpose, we have different text editors named as VS Code or Cursor. So I'll use that to create a very nice website, and we'll do things one by one. Okay, but build a vibrant single page site with hero. Okay, and it is previewing. See here, Gursanj, Tushya, Kanav. See here, what happened? So I went to Lovable. This is also one website named lovable.dev. And I give this prompt, create a colorful website for pizza shop and chocolates with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, now it will give me this very nice website. See, very nice website. If I'll click on menu, I'll directly come here. If I'll click on story, I'll come here. If I'll click visit, I come here. Book my spot, you can able to write something and book it. If you want order, you just click here. You want pizza, chocolate or margarita magica, pepperoni fista for $18.15. Now chocolates, dark velvet truffle, salted caramel bomb, raspberry, rose, hazelnut here. Nice. According this also we can change it. We can change it based on. So till here it's fine. If it is fine, I am telling you how we will create the single page application. Right now I am here only. Guys, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can I start teaching you how do we create our own website? So I'll teach you how we'll create our own website. So these two things. First is code pen is clear. This is code pen. Second is what? Second is nothing but a Lovable. This is also a very nice website to create a website. This is also a nice AI tool. Fine. Shall we move forward? Open folder. This is what? This is our folder website making. This is an empty folder, and this is the AI agent. Correct. This is what? This is an AI agent. Plan, debug, multitask, ask agent. Now I wanted to build a website for my own purpose. Like suppose I wanted to start my edtech education, and I wanted to just want a website. So I'll tell AI create a edtech website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If I click on enter, what happened? It will creating, planning and next moving. मैं समझ गया आपको plain HTML, CSS और JavaScript में एक edtech वेबसाइट चाहिए. पहले वर्क स्पेस का स्ट्रक्चर चेक कर रहा हूँ, फिर एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल. सो दिस इज सो AI will give you the answer in whatever language you want. I just saved it that I want in English, so it is replying in like this. Correct? Now see what it is doing. It is first creating index.html. Right now in this folder there is nothing, but see automatically one new file will generate index.html. It is creating by AI only. I have the idea, I just put this idea into AI, and what happened, it will automatically generate all the code, and we can also update the code. We can also update that code also. Now second file is also generating style.css. I tell that I want code in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That's why it will create three files, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first index.html is created, and see here it will code around line 268 lines are there in this file. Now style.css is also created, very nice. This is also created, and the code is around 724 lines. Okay, so AI will generate the code very nicely, and now script.js is also there. So another file is created, script.js, and now you'll see here 97 line of code is done. So total how many lines of code is generated within a minute? See, index.html is having around 268, then script.js is having around 98, and style.css is around 700 something. So around more than 1000 line of code is generated with the help of AI in within a minute. Now what I'll have to do? I'll have to do what? Now I wanted to see what is generated. So I tell the AI, I will not code anything. I just tell the AI, I wanted to run this. How do I do that? Even I know how to do, but you guys don't know. That's why this is a zero thing. So it is saying alternative terminal. In the terminal, go to this file index.html, स्टार्ट और डू वन थिंग, अगर लोकल सर्वर में रन करना हो प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर या कमांड चलाओ पाइथन 3 http server 8000. what then what happened, this in this link it will open my website. I'll go to terminal, I click here and I just paste this command, python 3 m http dot server 8000. Correct. Now what it is giving, and it is starting at http localhost 8000 it is serving. Now what I'll do, I'll go here, I just paste it here and see a very nice website is created. See here. So the very nice website is created. Now sir, see, were you able to see it? Were you able to see it, guys? Okay, so see here, this is skill spring, name is skill spring. So if I wanted to check, I'll go here, skill spring. So where is this code? This code is in my index.html file, and this is the title and skill.spring, and this is the span tag, and from where it is the paragraph tag. And see, so this word skill spring is coming, this word skill spring is coming from what, from what, from this span only. Okay, now I wanted to give my name, so I told that here, please update the page, update the website based on my requirement. So what is my requirement? My requirement is my organization name is HC Bytes Tech, and location is Bangalore, office location is Bangalore, and I tell here subjects here, courses, what all courses we are offering. So I tell here website making, AI Bootcamp, maths, chemistry, physics, computer, okay, coding courses, these are coding. Okay, so I'll put here subjects math, chemistry, physics, computer in subject section, and the courses website making, AI Bootcamp, coding, and job ready course. Okay, and I'll click enter. What happened, it will automatically update my existing files, and it is saying good, मैं existing landing page content के आपके organization के हिसाब से update करूँगा. Okay, so it will giving me in what answer I want, what type. I don't want to talk to AI in English, that's why it is giving me the friend WhatsApp language. So now see, now it will automatically convert it. So I don't want it to code, even I didn't write single line of code, and see, we can able to generate the code. So now what happened, it is updating index.html, and see, automatically this file is updated, this file got updated, index.html, even it is updating style.css, and even it is updating script.js. Correct. So now these files are updating. Now I'll click here, see, SC Byte Tech, job ready courses are there, subjects in subject section, maths, chemistry, physics, computer, feature section is practical learning, personal guidance, Bangalore office. Okay, mentors, academic course, tech courses. Yeah, anyone?
So what agent is this?
This is AI agent cursor. So it's like a GPT only. There's a ChatGPT model I am using, GPT 5.5. So it is what, it's just like a code editor. Like see, for Notepad is what, it's a text editor. Correct. Now
Yeah.
we learned today what, how we will create website with the help of online available tools, correct? But suppose I wanted that thing into our system, because see, somehow after 3 days, 2 days, 5 days, I wanted to open that folder, I want that code to show something to teacher that I built this. So how should I do it? So that code I have in my local, correct? So see, this is done. Now I don't like the background and all. Okay, so I tell here, I don't like the styling at all. Make the style of the website more attractive, animated, add animations, also use a very nice background as well. So I click here, what happened, next move, in the next move it can able to generate a website, it can able to update my current file structure. So it is thinking, what it is thinking, what can I do it. So now it is replying, स्टाइलिंग को ज़्यादा प्रीमियम और अट्रैक्टिव बनाते हैं, मैं CSS को स्ट्रॉन्गर विजुअल डिज़ाइन के साथ अपडेट करूंगा, एनिमेटेड ग्रेडियंट बैकग्राउंड, ग्लोइंग कार्ड्स, होवर मोशंस, smoother sections or scroll reveal animation. Okay, so now what AI will do, AI will update my file style.css, because see, for HTML structure, HTML is for structure, but to styling we have style.css. That means what I told AI, that I don't like the styling, that's why it is updating to my CSS file only, because this is the file which is responsible for me. Now if I'll come here and see something, this red color is what, red color means that it is deleting this thing, and green color is it is updating this thing, correct? So what AI will do, AI will delete these things, AI will update to this thing. Now it is deleting this background and make this background with the use of this radial gradient functions and all. And see here, very nice update is done. Now it is updated and it is saying एनिमेशन लॉजिक ऐड हो गया, आपको एक डायग्नोस्टिक चेक कर रहा हूँ, फिर बताऊँगा कैसे प्रीव्यू करना है. सो डन, वेबसाइट का स्टाइलिंग अब मच मोर अट्रैक्टिव है. इसने क्या ऐड किया, दैट ऑल्सो इट इज देयर, प्रीमियम डार्क ग्रेडियंट बैकग्राउंड विथ एनिमेटेड ग्लोइंग ब्लॉब्स, ग्लास मॉर्फिज्म नैव बार सेक्शन, animated hero cards, hover animation on core subject mentors and feature card, scroll reveal animation, better button, show shadows, gradients and modern visual polish, correct? Now I'll come here, I'll just click here and see a very nice website is created. See, now it looks something nice. See, if I'll hover here, see here, see here, see here, if I'll go just hover here, what happened, it is just animation is going on. AI Bootcamp. Okay, view the curriculum. If I click here, what it will going, it will tell me that go enter your email and get started. Then this is a courses section. If I click here, I directly come to here. Okay, coding section, job section. Now till here things are clear, everyone? Then we'll move forward. Guys, say yes, no.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, yeah, tell me.
So, sir, basically, I wanted to ask you that how will it be popular like other websites like Facebook or Instagram?
Popular in the sense?
Like, how will people know that there is a website like this?
So that you need to deploy it. Correct. See, Facebook and all other website where we it's already hosted on internet. Correct. We know the URL. To going on a Flipkart, what I did, www.flipkart.com, flipkart.in, it's for India, amazon.in, Amazon. Suppose this is what these had some URL, correct? Right now if you see, my website is hosted on localhost 8000. This is what, it's a URL, but it's in local system, that's why it is saying localhost, correct? Now if I wanted this website to other people as well, right now this website is for my only, it's for my working directly. I have that website access only in my laptop, correct? Now if you want to access this website on your iPad, on like someone your friend wants to see this website, for that there is some other thing which is deployments and all. For that we need to buy hosting and all. We need to buy this link, the URLs we need to, this is the URL, suppose for Flipkart is paying for it, okay, for this URL. So this is what a hosting is then. Now
Okay,
here,
sir, got it.
okay, okay, Kanav, Tushya, guys. Okay, let's move forward. Let's move forward. Now, sir, in the course section, view curriculum is there, correct? And it is directly coming here. I wanted to add something on click of view curriculum, correct? So I tell here, on click of view curriculum, please add some more detail so that so please add some more details. Let's see what happened. If I click enter, what happened is it is starting thinking. First it is singing and it is saying समझ गया, व्यू करिकुलम क्लिक पर अब सिर्फ सेक्शन जंप नहीं होगा, मैं उसके लिए डिटेल करिकुलम मॉडल पैनल ऐड करूंगा जिसमें कोर वाइज मॉड्यूल्स और आउटकम देखेंगे, करेक्ट? सो इट इज डूइंग व्हाट? So it is creating the on click function. If I'll click on view curriculum, now it will generate something. So this is index.html. In this file, what is added? Some code is updated, some code is deleted, and some code is updated. Even it is update my style.css also, because it is trying to getting some new things. Now script.js is also uploaded, correct? Because on click function will work only in JavaScript, because I told you HTML is only for structure, CSS is for styling, and JavaScript is responsible for your things. Now it is saying done. व्यू करिकुलम क्लिक करने पर एक अट्रैक्टिव पॉपअप ओपन होगा जिसमें हर कोर्स के लिए कोर्स समरी, लेवल, ड्यूरेशन, व्हाट यू विल लर्न, मॉड्यूल्स, फाइनल आउटकम, इंक्वायरी बटन, these all things will there. Now if I'll click here, what happened? See, website making, view curriculum, AI Bootcamp. So if I'll click here, see here, very nice thing will generate it. It is create this pop-up model for me, pop-up model of me, and for AI Bootcamp. So these are the things. If I'll click cross, it will get coding is the title here, okay. Job ready courses. Based on that, what you will learn? You will learn resume building, LinkedIn profile, interview questions, project explanation, workspace, correct or not? So here website making, see here, beginner 6 to 8 weeks, Bangalore guided practice. What you will learn? HTML structure, modern CSS, JavaScript, landing page, project, portfolio, website, hosting, deployment, etc. So this is included in a website making. If I'll click here inquiry now, what happened? Now it will directly come here and it will ask me to enter your email, then get started. Let's see what happened. If I'll enter my email, so it is saying thanks HT BYTES will contact you, will course soon detail. That means some data is going to the database, it is saving in database. Right now we didn't learn about databases, and that is another big topic. So right now we learn how do we create these things. Now you guys understand? Kanav, Tushya, you guys will understand? Correct. Now you guys will understand. Now suppose I wanted to add more subjects here. This is math, chemistry, physics, computer. Okay, I wanted to add more subject. What I'll do? I'll go here and add more subjects, and then I tell art, drawing, then Hindi, English, geography. Okay, if I press here enter, what happen? It will adding some more subjects. So this is adding in index.html, because it is responsible for structuring. So it is adding some more subjects. it is adding some more. So now subject is added, drawing, Hindi, English, geography. Now it is saying 8 core subject show करेगा और FAQ subject list भी update हो गई है. Now let's see, right now it's 4. If I'll just press here, now it is converted to 8. Within a second you can able you guys like, okay. So now within a second it can able to generate, correct? Now sir, I want it, I'll go here, FAQ section, correct, and enroll is there, FAQ is there, course is there. Now on click of enroll, nothing is happening, correct? I wanted to say that if I'll click on enroll, do something. So I'll go here, on click of enroll, do something or add some more detail things. If I click here, what happened? On click of enroll, now it will saying planning next move. What is the next move? It is thinking and it is saying yeah, I understand. Enroll click को ज़्यादा useful बना देता है. मैं एक proper enrollment pop-up add करूँगा. Like now it is adding one new pop-up where if I click on enroll, some new things will happen. Correct? So this is how you can make your website, you can update your website, you can do whatever you wanted to do, you can do anything from with the help of website and all. Correct? Now see what will happen. So it is updated, index.html is updated, plus 65 minus 4 means that it's deleted 4 lines and added 65 lines. Now updated style.css and it updated the script.js file also. All the 3 files are updated, correct? Now if I'll just come here and do one thing, I'll click on enroll, what happened? Now these things will appear, correct? Now student name, phone number, interested, okay. See, student name is Harshit, phone number is some phone number, course AI Bootcamp, preferred mode is online, and if I wanted to, if I'll click enter, what happened? Enrollment receive SCY tag will contact you. If I click on here, some like that also is another thing. On click, some API is going, and in the API that data is we are passing, and that data will go in a database, correct? So this is things will go on. So now you guys can do n number of things. Now it is saying open enrollment form, you can open from here also. Get started, it is like, see, if I click here get started, what it is saying, please fill this field, then only I can able to just, okay. Now guys understand, guys?